Whoa, whoa. Here I come.
Oh.
Here I come.
Oh.
Welcome to the future of design. In this video, we're unveiling the top 5 UI/UX design trends for 2025 that will revolutionize digital experiences. Ready to elevate your designs? Let's dive in. Trend number 1, personalized user experience. Thanks to AI and machine learning, apps and websites now adapt in real time to user preferences, creating dynamic, tailored experiences. Think smarter than Netflix. Trend number 2, voice user interfaces. With smart devices taking over, voice command technology makes interactions seamless and accessible. Hey Siri, isn't this amazing? Trend 3, neumorphism and glassmorphism. Meet sleek aesthetics that create minimalistic yet visually stunning designs. Trend 4, micro interactions. These small animations make a big impact. From button animations to hover effects, they bring apps to life. Trend 5, the rise of dark mode. It's not just a trend. Dark mode is here to stay. It reduces eye strain, saves battery, and looks awesome. Love these trends? Want to stay ahead in design? Subscribe now for more design inspiration and UI/UX insights. Let's shape the future of design together.